Professor Madhuji Tapadia is a faculty member at Department of Zoology, Banaras Hindu University. She is an active member at Cytogenetics Unit, and her research focuses on diverse topics like immunity, neurodegeneration and cell death process, which are the major challenging field in case of medical biology. She uses Drosophila as a model to answer these questions. So ma'am, today we want to discuss something. You have started your journey at Cytogenetics Unit as a graduate student, and now you are an established faculty here. As a graduate student myself, I have this remarkable experience of having the liberty to use anything from books, reagents, discussions with faculty members, and this has helped me to grow as a researcher. So please tell us how this cordial environment, this friendly environment in this lab, which we proudly say where locks are prohibited, is developed and conserved.
I think you observed it very correctly as a graduate student, and it's been almost 30 years since I joined this department and this laboratory, especially as a student, graduate student, with few years of stint outside, but then mostly I was here. And when I went outside after my PhD, the first thing which I observed was that people, they do not trust each other. So that trust is the first thing which I missed when I went outside. And when I came back, I told my professor also that the openness that we see over here, because here you will not find that you will not be able to identify which graduate student is doing PhD under which supervisor, because there is so much openness, you can discuss any problem with anyone. So this is one thing. And the second thing that you pointed out is that we have common facilities, and since last 30 years it's there, and it's almost 20 years back, so it's almost 5 decades that this we have been able to develop this and also sustain it. And if you allow me, I'll just use an analogy from evolution, where we all know as a science student, and even as a layman, that the fittest survives. So if this kind of setup has survived for so long, which means that this is one of the best ways that any research or any kind of study or any investigation can go on. So therefore, and because you know that in evolution, if anything which is redundant disappears over the period of time. And since this has continued, and it's not only us, even people from outside in India as well as abroad, when they come and when they see the lab setup, there are no doors, nothing, all instruments, everything is, even the chemicals and the reagents are available to each one. So they are really fascinated. In fact, many of them, they also warned that they should start this kind of a common facility in their institution. But then this requires a lot of sacrifice also. So which, if only faculties and students are able to give, then it will go on. But yes, in this lab, it's sacrifice, duties, responsibilities shared by the students, by the faculties. The thing is, there's no communication gap. If there's any problem with anyone, we can go and discuss freely. The teachers are all here, your professors, my professors. They were there. We never had to take any appointments that I want to talk to you. Just barge in and just talk. So I think, therefore it has evolved, and I think it will stay on. There are minor hiccups, because when there are 20 students, so there will be some misunderstanding, something. So these things are part of life. So it goes on.
Thank you.